Hi guys, I'm Simon Security Expert, and on today's video we're going to be fitting a DIY security system, the Guardfather security system, onto this house here. It's actually one of my closest mates' house, so we're going to be putting it in here, do it on a bit of a time stamp so we can get it done quickly, show you how easy it is. Luke's on the camera.
What up?
Luke, what time should we go for?
Let's do an hour and a half.
Hour and a half? Right, well I've got to take down the old system, put in all the new stuff, hand it over to Robbo. Okay, hour and a half. It's now 10:25. Let's get cracking. So let's rip the old sounder down, and then we can get on to removing all the devices around the house and then take out the old control panel in the cupboard.
I know last time you were kind of talking about cameras a little bit. I'm just wondering, are they coming?
Yeah, so they are indeed, yeah. So I'll send you a screenshot, a screen record of the cameras that are on test at mine at the moment, just so you can see, because it's now working and cameras are there. They're going to be on sale in around about 2 months is when I'm gonna put them up. You know, when they've all got delivered from the factory and things. But all my current customers, you know, people who have Guardfather security systems already, they're all going to get one for free, or I'm going to give them the offer. You know, if they want one, I'm going to give them one for free. It's just basically like a thank you. I think there's too much focus on customer acquisition these days for businesses rather than, you know, customer satisfaction for people you've already got and customers you've already got. So I'm basically going to put an email out there to all my current customers for when the cameras arrive. If they want one, they can have one for free. Right, that's all the old equipment out now, so time to install Guardfather.
How do you think like the business and the Guardfather's kind of going now?
Do you know what? It's great. It's great. We've been going now for a year. Got some amazing customers. Only got 5-star reviews. So I certainly can't complain. Really happy with how it's going. It's just about building the brand. You know, getting people to trust it as well. It takes a while, but yeah, it's brilliant, and it's only going to keep going. So I'm looking forward to see, you know, what the next 12 months does compared to the first 12 months. So yeah, it's all looking up.
So can I kind of do this myself, or like do I need like someone like you to come fit this?
No, that's the thing about the system as a whole. It's a oh, where's the plug gone? It's a DIY security system, so people don't have to then, you know, get expensive installers out. They can just follow the YouTube videos and do it themselves. Yeah, so that they save a fortune on it. And also then a lot of people now, they like to be in control of their own security. You know, when it comes to control panel, all we're going to be doing is plugging it in and plugging it into the router with the Ethernet. So it's not something that people can't do. And the way we're going to fit it is just with 3M sticky backs and then attach that to the wall. So here's the control panel close up. You can see the backup battery there in the back of it. And we're just going to plug it in to the router in order for it to get its internet connection to go onto the app for its app connectivity. Then I'm going to give it a little bit of a wipe from my dirty hands, and then stick it onto the wall. Just hold that down for 10 seconds, and then it's going to have a good stick. And that is the touchscreen keypad there, all nice and fitted. Again, stuck to the wall, looks great. And that's putting the sticky back on one of the door contacts, removing the battery, and then I'm going onto the app here, adding the control panel on, just scanning it, and now I'm going to show you how to add the keypad on. It's all with the barcodes that's on the devices, and then you basically just click confirm, and it learns on that particular device. Success, full signal, and here's me fitting a door contact onto his conservatory door, protecting the rear of the house, anyone trying to break in that way. Just testing it all lines up okay, which it does. This is one of the motion sensors that I'm going to fit today. Take it out of the packaging here, and I'm going to get the battery that's inside, just click and open and pull the sleeve out to connect the battery. Close all that up, mount the bracket onto the wall just by screwing a couple of screws into the wall. Then you've got the bracket there, then push the motion sensor in and your job's done.
So is it time for the external sounder?
It is indeed the main visual deterrent of any security system. So we're going to put it up now, and then the thing that's good about this is it has blinking LEDs on the bottom, so when it's actually up and it's fitted, every few seconds it blinks on the bottom. And you know, some of the major brands don't do that, and I think they're really missing a trick. You know, it's not as secure. You want it to look like a working alarm system. So yeah, let's go and throw this up there now. And if you're interested in taking control of your own security, guys, and going down the DIY route, I'll leave a link for the system in the description to the website. That's it, all done. House is all protected. It's now 11:40 a.m. So, you know, we're under the hour and a half mark, so I beat the 90-minute challenge. You got to remember though, I was taking out an old system, and not only that, I was filming and recording things like that, and that takes up a lot of time. So realistically, if you have this kind of system, you can box it off within an hour pretty much all the time. That's it, house is protected, all done. I'm going to go through it with Robbo now, and actually a massive shout out to Robbo for, you know, being one of my closest mates, supporting the business. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, if you're a current customer of the Guardfather security system, you're going to be offered a free camera. If you're interested in the security system, then go to the website, it's in the description, the link's in the description, check it out, let me know what you think. But whether you use my system or you don't use someone else's, I don't mind, as long as you're getting security, that's all that matters to me. I'll help you with any system you've got, no problem at all. Just leave a comment or message me on, say, Instagram, whatever security you've got, I'll happily help you with it. Right guys, see you in the next one.